Hey, it's Tracy from Ace Custom Copper over in Elizabeth, Tennessee. I was contacted by the McKibben Group to build a Moonshine Still display for their new Moxy hotel here in downtown Asheville on Biltmore Avenue. They're going to have a rooftop bar and restaurant called Wildwood Still. So they wanted a special display to put above the entrance to the rooftop bar and restaurant. It's a 120-gallon all copper steel custom copper pot. And then it's two 55-gallon whiskey barrels that I refinished to put up the display. It's a really cool display. Wouldn't take much to make it fully functional because you have to build them just like they're functional. Really enjoyed it. It's an exciting project. The mural on the wall behind it is one of the largest in the United States that was hand painted by one person. It's got moonshiners on it, a couple of moonshine stills. Everybody ought to come by and take a look. If you come by and take pictures or anything with the still, be sure to hashtag Ace Custom Copper in it. We'd love to see them. Thanks everyone for the support. It's been a fun build and a long day, but we're wrapping up and getting ready to call it a day and head back to East Tennessee.